Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the heat and temperature. I am your Aradhana ma'am and the chapter is chapter 5. Objectives of the chapter. Heat as a form of energy, heat and temperature, units of heat and temperature comparison, sources of heat, flammable and inflammable substances, thermometer, using mercury, advantages and disadvantages, scales of thermometer, importance of scales and effects of heat. Heat as an energy. What is heat? Form of an energy measured in joules. Particles move about more and take up more room if heated. That is why things expand when heated. It is also said that solid to liquid, liquid to gases when heated. So heat is an energy and forms measured as a joule. Next, units of heat. Units of heat key. The SI unit of joule is the which is required to or which is equal to Newton meter. Historically, heat was measured in terms of ability of the raise to temperature of water. The calorie key. The amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius from 14.5 degree to 15.5 degree is called the calorie. British thermal unit BTU is still used. The amount of heat recorded needed to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water by 1 Fahrenheit. Next, unit of heat. Joule is the most common heat unit and also there is the calorie. Calorie key is the amount of energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. Unit to measure the heat. Calorie key আছে energy needed to raise the 1 gram of water by 1 degree C. 1 calorie equal to 4.186 joule. Next, heat and temperature. The temperature of an object tells how hot it is. Measured of the temperature, measurement of the temperature done degree Celsius. It is not the same as heat energy, although two quantities are related. Heat and temperature are not related, but they are also same quantities, similar. Next, comparison of heat and temperature. Heat is a form of energy. It is the thermal energy. Temperature key. It is not an energy. It is the thermal state of a physical body. Heat transfer is a reason behind the temperature change. Temperature variation can be result of gain or heat loss of heat. Heat is a path function, temperature is a point function. Heat is exchangeable, it can flow from one body to another. Now temperature is not exchangeable, only heat can be exchanged. Next key ache, heat is not a fundamental property of matter, but temperature is the fundamental property of matter. Next, sources of heat. Sun, the main sources of heat. Fire, light bulbs and stoves, rubbing two objects together are the sources of heat. Next, flammable and inflammable substance. Flammable liquids ki isopropyl alcohol, propane, fuels such as gasoline, kerosene, aerosol cans, etc. are combustible liquids ki oil, greases and lubricants, oil-based paints. Next, thermometer. A thermometer is a device used for measuring the temperature. A thermometer is an instrument that measures temperature. It can measure the temperature of a solid such as food, or a liquid such as water, or a gas such as air. The three most common units of measurement of temperature are Celsius, ফারেনহাইট অ্যান্ড কেলভিন। কী কী টেম্পারেচার আছে? সেলসিয়াস, ফারেনহাইট and Kelvin. Next key ache thermometer is used for measuring a temperature. Next, what is mercury thermometer? The mercury in glass or mercury thermometer was invented by physicist Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit in Amsterdam. It consists of a bulb containing the mercury attached to the glass tube of narrow diameter. The volume of mercury in the tube is much less than that of the volume of the bulb. তাহলে কি মার্কারি দিয়ে ফার্স্ট স্টার্ট হয়েছিল এই থার্মোমিটারটা, দ্যাটস ওয়াই ইট ইজ কল মার্কারি থার্মোমিটার। নেক্সট, অ্যাডভান্টেজেস অ্যান্ড ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজেস অফ দ্য মার্কারি used in thermometers. Advantages key, it is a good conductor of heat and mass, hence can measure even the high temperatures. It gives quickly results, a fast response time. Next, it expands linearly, less than alcohol and any other liquid. Next, it is more durable than alcohol thermometer because mercury does not evaporate easily. তাহলে কি কি? good conductor of heat, gives quick result and it is it evaporates quickly. Not It does not evaporate quickly than the alcohol. Why mercury thermometer is dangerous? The small silvery ball in a mercury thermometer can be dangerous if the glass breaks and the mercury is not cleaned up properly. The mercury will evaporate and can contaminate the surrounding air and become the toxic to humans and adult life. Each thermometer contains about it কি বলেছে স্মল সিলভারি বল ইন এ মার্কারি থার্মোমিটার ক্যান বি ডেঞ্জারাস যদি সেটা ভেঙে যায় এবং যেটি সেটাকে প্রপারলি ক্লিন আপ করা না হয়। নেক্সট Advantages of using alcohol in thermometers. Freezing point is 1 minus 139 degrees Celsius and hence can record very low temperature. Has a fairly even expansion or contraction of large range of temperatures. Difficulty of visibility through the gas is removed by adding a dye into it. However, alcohol starts boiling at 78 degrees Celsius and cannot be used as measured very high temperatures. Next what you have seen. Why water cannot be used? Why water cannot be used? Stick to the glass. It is transparent, so it is difficult to read its level through the glass. It is a poor conductor of heat. Expansion is not uniform over the range of temperature. Freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Hence, the range is not wide. Specific heat capacity is high, which means that it will absorb more amount of heat from the object which is kept in contact with the thermometer. So for these various reasons, water cannot be used as a liquid in thermometer. Next we can see that one, the importance of different scales of thermometer. There are three scales of thermometer like Fahrenheit, Celsius and Kelvin. Scales of thermometer is a methodology to calibrating the physical quantity temperature in meteorology. Empirical scales measure the temperature in relation to convenient and stable parameters such as freezing and boiling point of water. Empirical scales কি আছে? Measure temperature in relation to convenient and stable parameters such as the freezing and boiling point of water. Next, effects of heat. Snow melts, water boils, gradually disappears, rise in temperature of the body, expanding of objects, change of states, speeding up of chemical reactions, killing of organisms, bacteria present in milk and water. তাহলে কি কি স্নো মেল্ট করে, চেঞ্জ অফ স্টেট হয়, the bacteria present in milk and water, speeding up the chemical reactions, change of state. Next, what we can see that from this video what we have learned that the effect of the temperature and heat, what is the basic difference between temperature and heat, and then what we can say that what is boiling, evaporation, and what is the relation between heat and temperature, and we can see that what is the importance of thermometer in our life and why the mercury thermometer is both having advantage and disadvantage, and why the digital thermometer has come because of some problem due to the mercury thermometers. So laboratory thermometer, why the alcohol is not used as thermometer liquid, and why water is not also used as thermometer liquid. I hope that you have cleared your views about this chapter. This chapter is very short, so I'm ending my video here. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you and stay safe.